Hi folks, how you doing? This is part one of many, I'd imagine, of my Dual Xeon 2670 build log. Today, what day is it today? 1st of April, Happy Fool's Day. This is not a fall, by the way. My two 27, no, start again. My Xeon 2670s arrived, so that's one of them. You have to see that. Xeon 2670, that's one of them. I haven't tested this one, but the one that's in here at the moment is being set for its paces. These are kind of spare bits, so this is a Gigabyte X79 UD3 motherboard. Just happen to have that lying around. This is a crappy old NVIDIA something graphics card. I've had this for years and I don't know what it is. It's an Asus, so it's been reliable. I've just put some spare RAM in there, so it's only got 4 gigs of RAM, so that's all I had kind of left running around at the moment. What I didn't have was a suitable 2011 cooler, so I went out today and bought this Cooler Master 212 CPU cooler. It's quite funny actually, because there's been a discussion on the Facebook, one of the forums, saying that this 212 is rubbish. I completely disagree. I've read loads of brilliant reviews about it, and so far it's absolutely fantastic. It is running, so temps at the moment, as you can see, it's been running for, well, it's been running Boink for 2 hours now, 2 hours, and the temperature in here is, well, last I measured about 20, so the delta's around 30, give or take, 30, 35. So that isn't bad at all for a so-called crappy cooler. So anyway, that's been going for its paces. Yeah, I'm just running Boink, and you can see, let me see if I can get words. So that's all the cores running, and all beautiful, all 16 cores. Oh, lovely, 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 lovely. Sorry, it went all weird then. Yeah, that's all the cores running 100%. Boink is running all those beautiful processes. So yeah, so this is just part one. And once I put this 2670 through its paces, I'm going to put the other one through its paces, just to make sure they're running really nicely. The missing component is obviously the motherboard. I haven't decided on what motherboard to get yet. There's a couple of Asus boards out there that are quite nice. There's the Z9 PE-D8, which is supposed to be quite good. So once I kind of get that built, once I kind of find a decent price for that, then I'll try and purchase one. But in the meantime, yeah, I'm just putting this through its paces, and then put the other one through its paces, and see how it goes. The intention of my Dual Xeon build is because I want to run a decent virtual machine. So Linus Tech Tips did this wonderful, brilliant video where, running UnRaid, he virtualized several machines. Now he did 7. I only want to do 2, and for no reason other than because I want to. It's a nerdy thing, it's a gadgety thing, and yeah, I just want to see what happens if I try and put 2 Xeons together, totaling 32 threads. 32 threads! And then yeah, I stick a couple of graphics cards in there. So on my main rig, which I'll show you in another video, is a i7-3930K. It's in the Corsair 900D, but you can just see the background there. Ooh, shiny light. You can just, it's not switched on. Yeah, but this, well, not this motherboard, but the dual motherboard is going to go in that 900D at some point, with 32 gigs of RAM, blah 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 blah. Anyway, that's it for my first video. Subscribe if you want to see more videos coming up, and if you have any questions of what I've learned so far, and then please comment below. Right, that's it for now, guys. See you in the next one. Please subscribe. Bye.